Welcome back, investors. What if I told you that one of these stocks could double your investment, and another could make you part of the future of AI and EV? Stay till the end to find out which stocks experts think could skyrocket the most. Today, we're diving into 10 must-have stocks to buy before 2025. These companies are at the forefront of industry innovation, and they're already attracting tons of attention. Let's look at their current prices, expert predictions, and how they're shaping the future. 1. NIO Incorporated. NIO. First up, NIO. Currently priced at $7.85 per share, NIO is capturing the EV market's momentum. Experts from Morgan Stanley predict that NIO could climb to $20 by 2025, driven by China's demand for electric vehicles and expanding global sales. Morgan Stanley says NIO is China's answer to Tesla. Imagine the potential here. 2. Palantir Technologies. PLTR. Palantir, a leader in data analytics, is trading at $16.10 today. According to Goldman Sachs, Palantir could reach $30 or even higher by 2025, as demand for its AI-driven insight soars across government and private sectors. With its advanced tech capabilities, Palantir is carving out its place in the future of data. 3. New Holdings Limited. New Holdings, currently at $6.15, is disrupting Latin American finance. Experts at Bank of America forecast a target of $12 by 2025, with its growing digital customer base expected to double. Digital banking is exploding in the region, and NU could be at the heart of it all. 4. Palo Alto Networks. PNW. Cybersecurity giant Palo Alto Networks is valued around $230 per share today. Analysts at Wedbush see it reaching $320 by 2025 as cybersecurity investments increase worldwide. Imagine the role it plays in a world where every company is a target. This stock is the invisible shield guarding them. 5. ARM Holdings. ARM Holdings, a critical player in chip technology, trades at $55.75. Citigroup projects ARM at around $80 by 2025. Imagine a future where every device you touch, from your coffee machine to your car, runs on ARM's technology. That's the world ARM is helping to build. 6. SoundHound AI. SoundHound AI, now priced at $1.55, is gaining momentum in voice technology. Experts from ARK Invest predict it could reach $4 by 2025, as AI becomes even more integrated into everyday applications. Picture a world where voice AI powers almost every interaction. 7. Chubb Limited. CB. Chubb Limited is a powerhouse in insurance, currently at $219 per share. JP Morgan projects it hitting $250 by 2025, thanks to steady growth and its strong position in the market. If you're looking for a stable stock with growth potential, Chubb is one to watch. 8. Upstart Holdings. UPSD. Upstart, revolutionizing lending with AI, is trading at $29. Experts at Oppenheimer believe it could soar to $45 by 2025 as more lenders adopt its AI-powered approach. Imagine the potential as it makes borrowing faster and more efficient. 9. The Trade Desk. TTD. Digital advertising is booming, and Trade Desk is at the forefront. Currently priced at $78.25, analysts at BMO Capital Markets expect it to reach $115 by 2025. As digital advertising continues to grow, Trade Desk could be essential for brands worldwide. 10. Marathon Digital Holdings. MARA. For crypto enthusiasts, Marathon Digital Holdings, at $9.20, is capturing attention. With Bitcoin's projected growth, analysts at BTIG see MARA hitting $20 by 2025. If crypto markets soar, MARA could be a way to capitalize on blockchain's potential. Investing in these stocks could be the key to capitalizing on some of the fastest-growing industries: AI, EVs, and fintech. If you're ready to make 2025 your breakout year, consider adding these stocks to your watch list today. Hit subscribe to stay on top of stock updates and comment on which of these stocks excites you most.